Welcome to my Udemy course. My name is Correa, and I've been playing tennis for more than 20 years. I play professionally and compete against some of the best players in the world. Tennis is my passion, and now I want to share that passion with you. At the end of this course, you'll be able to hit clean forehands, backhands, serves, volleys, and overhands. You'll also be better prepared mentally and physically through my tennis tournament training program, which is a world-class program. If you want to have better ground strokes, a faster serve, more agility, increased stamina, and win more often, then this is the course for you. I created a training calendar for each day of the week, explaining in detail what you need to do to improve. This way you can track your progress. If you want to know what your true potential is, get started with this course. I'll be waiting for you.